Hey y'all, it is Tia from Work at Home Maiden, and I'm back with another video. Today we were talking about body doubling. I am planning some body doubling events in the Discord. If you're not already there, just go to the description box and sign up. It is free. When you get there, please make sure that you go down to the rules tab. You might have to scroll up a little bit, read and react to these rules. If you do not, you will not be able to see the rest of the server. Okay. So anyway, back to the body doubling. Somebody suggested it, and I thought it could be helpful. Body doubling is something useful that some adults use to help them start and complete projects. Basically, what we would be doing is like maybe sitting on voice chat or on video and completing projects alongside each other. I'll probably be just looking for jobs to post in the Work at Home Maiden Discord. Y'all can do whatever it is you need to do. You can follow along to find your own work at home jobs. But anyway, I posted some polls for y'all to answer. I hope that we get enough responses so that we can like make the most impact over there. I posted like 3. I also need to know what your time zone is, what country you're in. I don't need like specific areas in the country, just like time zone in general, maybe just time zone and what country. So anyway, with that being said, thank you guys for watching. I hope this helps somebody, and I hope that we can reach some goals together. All right, I'll see you guys over there. Bye for now.